What is up, guys? It is Hayden Bradley. Welcome back. I'm here with Delaney, and we are in Jamaica right now, shooting with the brand new Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And today we're gonna show you the top 3 angles to get when you're traveling with your camera. So let's get into it. Yoo! For angle 1, we have the first person point of view. You can use a mouth mount or head strap accessory for this shot. This angle will make the audience feel as if they are in your shoes and experiencing the adventure themselves. The action view lens profile on the Ace Pro 2 is even wider than the original Ace Pro, so it gives you a better perspective of what you can see in front of you. For angle 2, we have the selfie point of view. This view helps capture your expressions of living in the moment and really gives that extra fun personality in your video. The flip screen on the Ace Pro 2 makes it very easy to see yourself, so you never have to worry about missing that shot. For the third angle, we have the follow camera third person view. This angle helps establish and capture the overall scene that is occurring. This is what gives that extra life to your videos, creating a more cinematic vibe. When I know I'm going to be shooting in clear water, I like to use a dome housing. This allows me to get a split shot showing what's happening above and below the water, and it really helps add some creativity to your video. When you don't have an extra person to capture you, but you still want to get those follow camera results, you can use an adhesive mount or other attachments depending on what surface you are dealing with. So now that you have the top 3 angles to make an epic travel video with your friends or your significant other using the Ace Pro 2, let's stitch all the clips together and see what it looks like. Well, that pretty much sums it up today. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been an awesome trip here in Jamaica. I hope you guys learned something new about the Ace Pro 2 or about the guide to create an ultimate travel video for your next vacation. Please comment down below if you want to know anything else. I'll be sure to answer your guys' comments down there or in the next video. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys next week. Stay tuned. Peace. Yoo!